In today's video, I'll be focusing the neighborhood spotlight on the areas of Bay Ho and Clairemont, highlighting local schools, employers, activities, and much more. I'm Alexandra Crawford, California Realtor. Welcome back to another video. So for people looking for a safe, relatively quiet, family-friendly place, Bay Ho and Clairemont should definitely be at the top of your list. They've also been ranked in the top 25 places to live in San Diego. What also makes the areas great are the variety of schools to choose from, some of which are highly ranked institutions. There are also 3 libraries to choose from, which offer both traditional and alternative learning services. In addition to the other great things is the diversity of Bay Ho and Clairemont, which also gives you a variety of cultures and languages to learn. Of course, what goes hand in hand with that, as a Yelp Elite foodie myself, is a wide variety of cuisines to choose from in the area. Now, the overall cost of living does tend to be higher, with higher housing costs, entertainment, and utility costs, but that tends to be offset by the great amenities that the area has to offer as well. Now on to some area highlights in terms of renting versus ownership. There's a 41% rental rate versus a 59% home ownership rate. The current population is over 63,000 people. There have been 326 homes sold in the last 180 days, with an average selling price over $758,000. Now on to some demographic data for the areas of Bay Ho and Clairemont. When it comes to the overall cost of living, the areas rank 15% higher than that of the national average. In terms of housing costs, it's 13% higher than the national average. Entertainment costs, the area ranks 12% higher than the national average. Utility costs rank at 4% higher than the national average. The crime rate is less than 17% of the national average, and the professional services industry is the largest employer of the workforce in the area. If you want to know more about the areas of Bay Ho and Clairemont, you can check out the Explore Our Areas tab on my website. If you're thinking of buying or selling a home in the areas of Bay Ho or Clairemont and you want to start with a game plan, I'm happy to hop on a call with you. You can call or text me at 619-752-4177. You can also email me at ask@alexandratherealtor.com. Thanks again for watching, and stay tuned for my next Neighborhood Spotlight video.